Hello, this is Richard Gregg, Superintendent of the Christina School District. Today is Election Day, with 4 questions on the ballot. State funding has not kept pace with the increased cost to continue to provide the best opportunities for our students. The referendum will help us maintain the great programs we have at Christina Schools. Funding for teachers and support staff, reduced class sizes, and expand academic programs. It will also address the maintenance of facilities issues we have and build new learning environments that our students so greatly need. Christina is a very special place that values above all else our students. We believe in our students, our staff, and our community. Our staff are dedicated and they work hard every day to bring out the best in each and every student. Our goal is to maintain the academic excellence our community expects and our students deserve, while always being mindful of the concerns of the taxpayers. We've worked hard as a community to get to where we are, and the best is yet to come. Working together, we can create for our students, staff, and families as we retain, rebuild, and restore Christina School District. Today, go to any of the 11 polling places at our schools and vote. Yes, it is up to you, and yes, it matters to our students. Vote yes to all 4 sections on your ballot. I am proud to be a part of the community that supports and values education. Thank you, and see you at the polls.